It is rightly said that it is not important to be good in something but to be good to yourself. Hello everyone, welcome to Jammu Links News in Conversation with Series. I am Mannat Gupta and today we have a very special guest with us. She does not need any introduction. She is none other than Miss Pavit Kaur. She is the director of Waste Space of Performing Arts. She is a professional dancer, Zumba instructor, yoga instructor and much more. So let's know about her from herself only. Hello Pavit, welcome to Jammu Links News.
Thank you, Manan. Thank you very much.
So tell us about yourself. Everyone is very eager to know about you. So when did it all start? Yoga कब आपकी लाइफ में योगा स्टार्ट हुआ और आप कब से प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हो योगा?
It's been 2 years, Manat, and like last year, I just started with my asanas and postures and the flexibility and all. But after the actual awareness of what yoga is all about, then I started my technical and professional training about yoga. So it's been 2 years. Yeah.
Okay, and how difficult it is for you to instruct your students who don't find yoga very interesting, who think that yoga is boring? How do you motivate them?
So it depends person to person, Manat. So it depends how do you want to perceive it and what is the purpose of your life. There are a lot of people जिनके लिए boring लगता है yoga कि कैसे करेंगे. It's kind of slow, and though yoga have a lot of variations into it, but still it is difficult for them कि वो motivated रहें. But I try my best to give and put all kind of variations so that they stay on that.
Okay, so they feel happy while doing yoga.
Yes, they do feel happy about it.
ओके एंड आजकल के टाइम पे जहाँ ऑफिस में लोग बहुत ज़्यादा बिजी रहते हैं, स्क्रीन टाइम उनका बहुत ज़्यादा है, अपनी गैजेट्स में बिजी रहते हैं और उनकी बॉडी बहुत ज़्यादा स्टिफ हो जाती है, उनकी पोस्चर बहुत ज़्यादा स्टिफ रहते हैं, तो उनको आप क्या कोई ऐसा योगा है जो आप हमें यहाँ बैठे हैं थोड़ा बता सकते हैं कि व्हाट वी कैन डू?
Okay. Well, in all the asanas योगा में आपके पोस्चर्स बहुत डिफाइन होते हैं. जितने भी पोस्चर्स आपके हैं एंड इवन योर बॉडी अलाइनमेंट इम्प्रूव्स अ लॉट एंड आई वुड से सिटिंग कुछ पोस्चर्स और कुछ एक्सरसाइजेस ऐसी हैं जो मैं आपको बता सकती हूँ फॉर श्योर, लाइक योर शोल्डर रोटेशंस और योर चेस्ट इनहेलिंग एंड एक्सेलिंग. Yeah. So you're inhaling out and exhaling in. Okay. So you're just hunching and then stretching or arching your back. That helps you a lot with releasing the stiffness of your neck and your shoulders. So there are like few shoulder stretches as well. While sitting on your chair, you can do that, and you can help with your table.
Stiff body को अच्छे से.
That will help your upper body a lot. We have few simple stretches.
Okay, and according to you, what is that one important skill that a yoga instructor should have?
I guess communication.
Okay.
You need to communicate, you need to give the instructions to your children really very much clearly. As so far you are telling them कि आपका एक body part कैसे move कर रहा है, movement कैसी होनी चाहिए. So आपकी instructions कितनी clear है और कितनी define और कितने अच्छे से हम लोग समझा रहे हैं easy words के साथ. That is very important.
Okay, and what kind of yoga do you teach? मतलब, is there a specific kind of yoga or how many types of yoga do we have? So what do you teach?
Now in modern times, there are different kinds of yogas, but actually there are like 4 or 5 types of yogas, forms of yogas, which I teach is Hatha Yoga, Ashtanga Yoga and Vinasya Flow.
Which is the most difficult one?
They all are good, yeah. There is no difficulty as such. See, it depends only कि आप कितना करना चाहते हो and your dedication. And सब simple हो जाता है, and obviously depends on the trainer.
I think we need to give time to our body also.
Yes, that is much more important.
So पवित, आप अपने टाइम को कैसे मैनेज करते हो और इतने ज़्यादा लोग बहुत ज़्यादा डेडिकेटेड हैं योगा करने के लिए, तो who was your influencer? किसने आपको इतना ज़्यादा इन्फ्लुएंस किया कि आप योगा की तरफ इतना ज़्यादा अट्रैक्ट हो गए?
See, Manat, as I'm a professional dancer first, I would say, and then a Zumba instructor, and obviously then an international yoga instructor. So dance ने मुझे itself बहुत motivate किया है to get into this. So initially I started with all the postures and body shapes. I really like the artistic work of being a dancer. So I started watching all the pictures on Instagram and got motivated कि अच्छा ऐसा आसन है, ऐसा posture है. So I started doing like that. And my influencer, I would say, is Natasha Noel and David from Germany, Natasha from Kerala. So they actually influence me and motivate me to move ahead. And if you'd say ki how I'm managing my sessions, so it is difficult, but I love my work. I just love
How
my
many
work.
classes do you take per day?
I take like 5 classes,
Okay.
so including the personal trainings and my dance sessions and Zumba sessions and yoga including in
Okay,
whole
okay.
day. So I take like 5 sessions.
Okay, is it tiring for you or you love your work and you feel happy?
Yeah, I love my work. I love my
Okay,
work.
you somehow manage that.
Yeah, I manage that beautifully, I can say.
Okay, and what, according to you, what do you think is like what yoga has done to you personally, to you, your mind, anything you want to share?
Yoga have changed me altogether in and out, I would say.
Okay.
I am more calm and composed, and I handle situations in a very different way.
Okay.
So I would say pranayams, breathing, meditations, मतलब इस सब चीज़ों ने मुझे कितना हेल्प किया है कि while I'm working out as well, I'm not aggressively working on my body. I'm just healing and recovering and getting into something new every time when I come on my bike.
Okay, they say yoga is a way of life,
Yeah.
and or what do you think? It is like exercising or meditating, or it is a different way of life? What do you want to say about that?
It is a mixture of all, I would say.
Okay.
बट इट डिपेंड्स कि कुछ लोग सिर्फ आसन्स और पोस्चर्स पे ही ज़्यादा फोकस करते हैं और कुछ लोग सिर्फ मेडिटेशन पे या फिर मेंटली जितनी भी चांटिंग्स हो गए या इन सब चीज़ों पे काम करते हैं. बट आई प्रेफर बोथ ऑफ देम सो दैट आई कैन बैलेंस both things together and I get a beautiful output.
So where does Pavit Kaur see herself in next 5 years? And how do you feel looking at yourself, like where you started and now you are here, and where do you see yourself?
It is a beautiful journey, Mannat, I would say. And in 5 years, though, oh my god, definitely I'm somewhere in Bali doing the extreme advanced level of
Okay.
yoga courses, or in Kerala.
Okay.
But now it's like no looking back.
Okay, what is that best quality, or why is your yoga class unique from other yoga classes? Is there anything special you want to tell about your class?
I would say every class is unique in itself क्योंकि हर trainer अपना 100% देता है.
जी.
But in my case, I would say I structure every different workout हर इंसान के लिए accordingly because they have different limitations and contra limitations.
Okay.
So I do that. Plus if I do have children in my classes as well, so I put little bit dance variations for them and with the flow. So yeah, they like it. And I'm always smiling and making them laugh. So I guess that is the best thing to communicate with each other. And these days online sessions are quite difficult to have a connection with them. So that is challenging, but I'm learning that as well.
And how did this come together? You are an English background, you learned English literature.
Yeah.
I knew that. So English literature से Zumba instructor, yoga instructor, that how differently is your life changing? Just tell me something about that.
Okay, so I'm a professional dancer and I was
Okay.
a dancer since I was in 2nd standard. And dance helped me to get into Zumba because I really loved Zumba, the form of Zumba it has, the latent dance moves and all that. And then after Zumba, I really wanted to calm down myself.
Okay,
with
so you
all
went for
the-
poetry.
Yeah.
Poetry and literature.
Yeah. Yes. And then I wanted to fly and meditate, and I went to yoga. I would
Okay,
say.
okay. It was a butterfly
Yes,
journey.
yes,
Yeah,
yes,
yeah.
definitely.
Okay. And a sweet message you would like to give to people who want to learn yoga or want a healthy lifestyle. Any message you want to convey?
Yes, I would say कि हर दिन छोटी छोटी चीज़ों के साथ शुरुआत करो. सेल्फ लव, सेल्फ केयरिंग इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर एवरी वन. सो डू एटलीस्ट वन थिंग जो आपको अच्छी लगती है एक दिन में. सेल्फ ग्रोथ इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड दैट थिंग विल लीड यू फॉर श्योर. एंड इफ आई टेल यू फॉर योगा, you can see the YouTube videos, you can follow my page at Yoganikor at Instagram, or else if you want anything to ask from me, I'm there to help you. And plus yoga is a way of life, mentally, physically and spiritually. Go for it, guys. Thank you.
तो ये थी हमारे साथ पवित कौर फ्रॉम बेस्ट स्पेस ऑफ परफॉर्मिंग आर्ट्स, जिन्होंने हमें बताया वे ऑफ लाइफ, परफॉर्मिंग योगा, जुम्बा और कैसे आप लोग फिट रह सकते हैं और कैसे एक हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल फॉलो कर सकते हैं. तो आप योगिनी कौर, पवित कौर को इंस्टा पे फॉलो करिए या फेसबुक पे फॉलो करिए और डिटेल्स जानिए. हमारे साथ बने रहिए जम्मू लिंक्स न्यूज़ के साथ.